News now from Karnataka, where the Bengaluru police have registered an FIR against Karnataka BJP MLA Muni Ratna after a 40-year-old woman has alleged that he masterminded her gang rape, also injecting her with a deadly virus. Now, the woman is a BJP worker and has named Muni Ratna as well as his alleged accomplices. She also claims that he used his influence to have two false cases filed against her, and then when he offered to help is when this alleged gang rape took place. Now, Muni Ratna has been facing multiple cases which are being investigated by an SIT. Let's go across to Deepak for more on this story. And Deepak, it's quite a sordid story, but shocking the kind of claims this woman is making regarding the gang rape and the other allegations against his BJP MLA.
Well, these are some serious charges that MLA Muni Ratna is facing. In the past, he has also been arrested. It was just a few months ago that charges of rape and honey trap were leveled against him. He was sent to jail. He, of course, is out now on bail. Even as the investigation continues in that case, a charge sheet was also recently filed. Now, yet another case where the RMC Yard police in Bengaluru have registered this FIR against him and three more people who are said to be his close associates. As of now, we should note that, the police are hoping, to question him very soon. They have the statement of the victim who claims that she was called to his office. False cases were registered against her. Later, she was sexually assaulted by multiple people. She also goes on to claim that they even abused her verbally, physically while she was there. Multiple other claims that are coming to the fore which are quite shocking in nature. A detailed investigation could probably throw more light as to what exactly transpired.